going on, everybody? It's the Boring Dad. We are at Wilderness Lodge here at Disney World. It's a Magic Kingdom resort. We're getting dinner tonight at Whispering Candy. Her idea. I'm excited. Hope you're excited. And we'll see you in a minute. So we're at the Wilderness Lodge for dinner tonight, and what you saw when we came in was the big open foyer, and it's gigantic.
Cathedral ceilings, huge.
Yeah, and it gives you that idea of being in a Wilderness Lodge. It's pretty fun. She may have changed her mind on what DVC resort we're eventually going to buy into, but
there's a river that starts as like a little like bubbly like geyser type thing on the inside, and it flows outside, and it's behind us, and there are frogs and stuff. I'm really
cute. Well, we'll see. Let's go check in for dinner.
Come on, guys, let's go check in.
So the restaurant is pseudo family style, would you say?
Yes.
So what happens is for every person at the table, you pay a set price and you order a skillet, like a family style skillet. So we got traditional and the pig, as they call it, so pork and brisket and different things like that.
So just as a warning, if you have children that don't do well being put under pressure, the waitstaff is kind of sassy, and we just watched a family ask for ketchup, and then they had, I guess, the other person who would ask for ketchup brought over 20 bottles of ketchup.
So it's funny, but little kids may think it's terrifying. But it's okay. Everything at Disney is mildly terrifying in a way. But you also get all-you-can-drink shakes, which I didn't get because that would be the worst idea ever, especially when it comes to me. I'd have one, be full, probably order another because I thought I could do it, and then be sick the whole night. So if you like milkshakes, come here, $9, you get as much as you want. It's a big open concept restaurant, so it's not like you sit in separate rooms or like they're not cordoned off into different rooms. Obviously you can tell that it's when it's busy like it is right now, everybody's just in one big open room, and it's kind of loud, so hopefully you can hear me okay. So like basically everywhere in Disney World, they have a kids menu.
I'm actually impressed though with this kids menu. Like they have the fish, they have the grilled chicken.
Yes,
it's different.
They definitely got a lot of options, but again, just like anywhere on property, if you bring kids with you, you know, they're not going to eat everything that a restaurant will typically serve, so they usually have pretty good options for kids. So they gave us cornbread as a starter. That is so amazing. Because I don't know about you, but cornbread is my favorite bread of all time. We also got some coleslaw. And they give our drinks cute little mason jars. That's right up Jess's alley, right?
Yes.
Exactly. I know my wife. No one can say I don't.
And I know you. And here's all of your rolls.
She knows me well.
She'll tell you. Go ahead. Go line up, Harper. Go ahead. Colin, go line up. Where's Harper? Oh, she's leading the charge, but she's not running. She's walking. Yeah, that's why she's going so slow. What just happened? She rode a horse. You rode a horse? You rode a horse? You rode a horse? What's your horse's name? You don't know? Did your horse have a name? What? Spidey? Spider? Spike? Like a dog? Phenomenal. So this is what the skillets look like. They come out in, as you would say, skillets. And even the little kids options come out in pseudo skillets. Looks pretty good, can't wait to dig in. Okay, Colin,
we need to ask for ketchup, right? We need ketchup. So there's a specific way we have to ask for ketchup, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to count to 3. I've had this all week long, okay? When I hit 3, I yell as loud as you
Can you say it? I know I can say it. Ready?
Don't put anything.
1, 2, 3.
We need ketchup! How come I'm the only one who said it? Wave, say we need ketchup! All the ketchup to us. We have all of the ketchup.
Oh, there's more.
You asked for ketchup, right? Oh, we need mustard? Oh, crap. So that was interesting.
I love it.
So far, you've been amazed by the indoor plumbing, which is essentially the river that goes out from inside to outside. It's really cool. And the food has come out really fast. Food came out really quick, right?
It did, it was really fast.
And ketchup ordering is pretty intense. So the food, the pork one, we got, looks like some sausage or kielbasa, some pork ribs, some pulled pork, of course mashed potatoes, and some corn. And then over here on the traditional, we got brisket, looks like some chicken. I'm not sure what that is, might be more pulled pork or whatever, but, and of course more green beans, corn, and mashed potatoes. So we're gonna eat this, and then once we eat it, we're gonna tell you how good it is.
Have a steak buddy.
So, mid-meal, I can tell you right now that this is awesome. I mean, the meat itself, it literally just falls off the bone. Like, that's how tender it is. What do you think? Yeah? You enjoying it? You like your food? They do the ketchup call so much better than we do. So I am waving the white flag. I'm giving up. As you can tell, we enjoyed it.
In all fairness, I shared this with the children.
You what?
I shared this with the children.
So while we're here, we're gonna do a little bit of a walking around just to check out the resort because I actually haven't been here. I haven't stayed here. So this is the first time well, I want to say it's the second time I've been to this resort.
So I've kind of been avoiding it. We stayed at the campground, and it was like camping in Maine. So if you like that, it's great, but I'm not paying what I'm paying to camp in Maine.
Yeah, well, this is the second time I've been here. We had lunch. We did the backstage tour a few years ago, and we had lunch here. The same restaurant we just ate at, but that was the only time I've ever been here. So it's really cool, this resort. So we're gonna walk around a little bit, check it out, see what they have to offer. Fortunately, we're not staying here, so I don't have a room to do a room tour or anything like that, but maybe in the future, we'll see. The moose is on the loose.
It's beaver butt. Beaver butt.
What is beaver butt?
It's soap. But apparently this is beaver butt soap.
Ooh. I've always wanted to smell like a beaver's butt.
Dog team drool.
Mama says.
That was even better.
Moose spit.
Yeah.
I don't know what I want to smell like more. Dog spit? Moose spit?
Oh, it's
Or a butt of the beaver?
Oh.
Daddy. There's eggs.
Found an egg?
Yeah. There's more crystal stuff.
Egg stone?
Yeah,
Like Easter.
Then you can put like inside of the thing and like here. It's not the egg. It's like a stone, and then you can see what's inside it.
Who is it? Minnie?
Absolutely. Put it on your Santa.
What is that? What is that? Oh, it's the dog from Pirates of the Caribbean.
You can absolutely.
So
put it on your
adorable.
Santa.
They're called wishables. This store, this resort is gigantic. It's so much bigger than it looks from the outside. When you walk in, it looks like a tiny little store, but then you come in back here and it's even more around here. It's crazy.
This really, really cute bathing suit. It's one piece, but it has like a dress over it.
That's cute. And there's Minnie Mouses all over it.
So cute. And it's
How much is it?
53.
It's not too bad.
That's actually really not bad. I expected it to be way worse.
Just found some really cute coasters, excuse me, the coaster holes.
Goofy,
Sorry, go ahead.
Donald, Minnie, Mickey.
It's cute, and they go in there.
Yeah.
Those are really cute.
Oh, there's Train Stopper.
You know what we need? We need a living room like table to use coasters.
They're only 25, which isn't bad.
And the great thing about being on a DVC resort, if you're staying at a DVC resort, is they sell all these little like snacks and some basic foodstuffs and everything else because you have a kitchenette in your DVC resort room.
More adventure. Ready?
I've never said it before, but I love the trendy bro Mickey that you have in the coffee. I don't know why. I just think he's cool. So Jess wanted you guys to see these. They're like the different pins you get in the parks that they'll give you for celebrating things. But these ones are like custom ones. Like if you're here for the thingamabobs or the rose gold, which I'm sure a lot of you are. So I think these, behind me, are the Boulder Ridge Villas according to the sign. So it's DVC stuff for Wilderness Lodge. Harper Lee found a bunny, and this is a very brave bunny. She ran right up to it, and it didn't go anywhere. Say hi, bunny. So while we're sitting here digesting our wonderful food, you know, there's a great thing you can do if you want to see more of our videos, be alerted when our videos come out, and just generally be the first ones to hear when The Boring Dad releases something new. There's a little subscribe button down there, there's a little like button, and there's a little bell down below. You click those 3 buttons, you'll get notified whenever we release a new video or new content. It's a great idea. Share it with your friends, share it with your coworkers, share it with your family, share it with everybody. Just share, 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 and we'll all be happier for it.